You want to keep those pesky pests at bay next spring. Today I'm going to show you a few simple tips so you can have a great spring garden. All right, first thing, make sure we get rid of all our dead plants. If we leave these in here, that just gives those bugs a place to hide, lay their eggs, and overwinter. So we want to get rid of all these and get them out of the garden so that they don't have anywhere to hide. This gives them plenty of hiding places, and we don't want that. So make sure you get rid of all your dead plants. Make sure you get rid of any of your dead fruit, vegetables. Pick them up off the ground so that they're not just laying around while you're removing your dead plants. All right, let's get rid of any debris that you have laying around, anything that's leaves, piles of grass, or anything, any of your dead plants that's failed. Getting rid of these out of your garden will disrupt the life cycle of these pests. It won't give them anywhere to overwinter and to lay their eggs. All right, make sure you have marigolds, aster, other flowers that will do good in the fall. And what it does is it encourages beneficial insects like the ladybugs or the lacewing. If you have those here, they strive on taking care of the pests that we don't want. So make sure that you got plenty of the fall blooming plants in your garden and let them do the work for you on your pests that you don't want. Now the last thing, if you do see these pests in the fall, I use a neem oil, which is organic, with peppermint in it. I started using this back during the summer, and it really has paid off. I don't have near the bugs and that was on it. I have cabbage over here. I've never really been able to grow cabbage and lettuce, spring or fall, without them being just bug bites all over them, the snails and gets on them and just holes and worms. But when I started using this right here, now I'm not sponsored by these. This is just something that I use, and it's Smart Growers, and it's neem oil with peppermint. They combine the two, and it's really paid off. So use an organic type spray if you're wanting to stay organic. There's a lot of different types that you can spray that will take care of them. But if you do have them, try to control them with this. If you control them now, less likely you'll have a whole lot come spring. Well, that's what I've been doing for the past 2 years since I have implemented these tips that I give you, and I have drastically seen the pest and bug problem that I've had definitely go away. So try to implement all these or just a few of them to try to get rid of the bug problem and see if it helps. If it don't, you can go back to the same way you were doing it. And remember, if you grow it, you know it.